Alright, now that we have uploaded the profile picture in the storage, we can set the profile picture in the user profile activity. So let's open the user profile activity and get inside show user profile method. And right below where we were setting the text views with the details of the user, we can set the profile picture also. So I will define one URI variable, and in that variable I will save the photo URL of the Firebase user. So the photo URL of the Firebase user will be stored in this URI, and since the photo URL belongs to an external source, which means this photo is not from the device itself but it is from an external source, which is Firebase storage. So we cannot directly use set image URL with our image view. Instead we will have to use Picasso, and we have already talked what Picasso is, so I'm just directly going to use it here. And also just check whether this if statement is ending, that is the if statement which is checking whether the read user details are null or not. Right where it is ending, let's add one else statement, and here also we can display one toast message. Let's run the app. And yes, the photo is visible in the image view now. It is not cropped according to the size of the image view, but anyways we are going to look into that later. As for now, we have successfully uploaded the picture in the storage and retrieved it and displayed it in the user profile activity. Now in the next video we are going to create update profile activity. In that activity we are going to fetch all the data of the user and then display it in the edit text, and also we will give the user an option to update the data if they want to. So let's see that.